Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gold Blessing. So let's go. Today we will be making homemade yogurt. So I added in 6 cups of milk and 6 cups of hot water, still using the same measuring cup I used in measuring my milk. So the next thing is to add in 6 cups of room temperature water according to the cup I used in measuring the milk. So altogether, that's 12 cups. And then I used my finger to check if my hand can contain 10 seconds without being hot. And then I had to sieve my milk into the container I'll be using finally. It's time to add culture. I checked the expiry date is very important, then poured it into another container, stirred it until it was completely dissolved, and poured it back into my milk. It's time to stir it for the last time, cover it, and keep it for 12 to 14 hours. So this is 12 hours, 13 minutes. Voila! Our yogurt is ready. So at this point, you can do whatever you want to do with it. You can sieve it and keep the water. The water is very, very nutritious. You can use it for a lot of things. And if the yogurt is too thick, you can pour back the water to the consistency that you want. At this point, you can add your sugar, add your flavor, and enjoy yourself. So I had to put this in a container and store it in my fridge. So you can do whatever you want to do with it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. I'll be so happy to hear from you. Bye.